beaders. Welcome to Beachside Bead Boutique. My name is Jerry. Today we are going to be unboxing the January edition of Bargain Bead Box. So I'm really excited. I just got this in the mail, so I'm excited to see what's in here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first let's see the theme of this month, Arctic Aurora collection. Well, that sounds nice. Okay, we have 22 items, so that is really exciting. And the estimated retail value is $97.28. So that is a whole lot. And remember, you get Bargain Bead Box for $25 a month. So that is with the shipping, and it comes to your door every single month for $25. And you will see the contents of this box. So then it's always similar, you know, you get several beads, you get findings, components. Yeah, so it's just a very good deal. So I'm very excited to see this Arctic Aurora collection. So we have blue, so that's nice. Oh, I see some nice things in here already. Very exciting. Ooh, okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and get everything sorted out, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I have everything organized, so I'm ready to unbox 22 items from this month's collection. First, we have abalone shell fancy oval pendant, a $6.99 value. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at these colors. Super pretty. I mean, you have the blue, green, pink, purple. I mean, it's definitely like Northern Lights. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. The way the light hits it, it changes colors. That is very pretty. And that's the back. Very nice, a very nice sturdy pendant. Super pretty. Wow, look at that. Oh man. And we have some really pretty things in here. I just want to say, when I was, you know, getting everything together, yes, things are so pretty. Next we have 27 by 23 millimeter stainless steel mountain seam pendant, a $6.99 value. Okay, that's really cute. Just one-sided, so that's the back, just a flat, smooth. But that's really pretty. Yeah, we have the mountains and we have the moon, but it's like inside of a moon shape. That is very nice. Okay, and the next item I could tell is already is very pretty. So it's 8 millimeter plated Druzzy agate round beads, green iris, 15-inch strand, and the value is $9.99. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, we have one that's a little damaged, but look at how pretty that is on the inside of that. I mean, just the sparkle. Oh, a lot of them have that. That is really cool, though. I mean, that's just the bead itself, because that just looks gorgeous with this little crack in there. See, some of them have this very shimmery coating. That is so pretty. In blue and green. And look at how long this is. I mean, I could see the colors just changing as I move this. Gorgeous. Super long. Very pretty. Okay, next we have 8 millimeter Malaysia Jade dyed quartz, 8 millimeter English cut round beads in Capri Blue, 7-inch strand, $4.99 value. And this is pretty. These are super pretty, very smooth. Very pretty bead. I love this color. And same thing, we have different color variations. So we have a deeper jade here, and then more of a lighter turquoise on other ones. Very pretty. And of course it's faceted, so we have some sparkle. Love these. Oh, this looks gorgeous together. I love this pendant. I think that looks so pretty. And these beads just really make it pop. Next we have, was that number? Yes. 3mm blue apatite faceted round bead, 7-inch strand for $5.99. Ooh, look at these. They're very small, but look at how pretty these colors are. Because again, we have green and the jade blue and very sparkly. Super sparkly and pretty. I love these. Next we have 8mm synthetic moonstone glass bead, 7.5-inch strand, $3.99. Look at these. It's a glow glass. I mean, look at the change color. Look at that purple just lighting up in there. That is gorgeous. So pretty. Oh, I love that purple. Look at that. Love it. Oh, that's, I mean, just putting this down and just the light hitting it, that is so pretty. Next, we have 5.5mm English cut faceted crystal beads in indigo AB. And AB stands for Aurora Borealis. So it has a very pretty coating. And this value is $4.99. Yes, look at that. So faceted and AB. Super pretty and shimmery. I love these blue and green colors in here. Very pretty. Oh man, that is gorgeous. So pretty, all this together, isn't it? So pretty. Okay, next we have 15 by 12mm glass Baroque beads in vitriol. 7.5-inch strand, $3.99. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at the colors in that. It's like a rainbow. Oh, look at this one down here. Oh, that's gorgeous because we see yellow and pink and blue and green. Oh, that is so, oh wow, look at that. Look at that rainbow. Beautiful colors. That is so doggone pretty. And I really like the shape of this too. That odd kind of a nugget. Look at that. So pretty. And look at this side. That is so cool. I'm mesmerized by that. Oh, this is so gorgeous together. Look at that. I'm so excited. Okay, we have 4mm crystal triangle beads in light violet AB, 14-inch strand, $3.99. So this is a nice long strand as well. That is very pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's clear, but it has that beautiful purple shimmer with a deeper purple and some blue. I mean, that's like snow glistening. I mean, this is super beautiful. which of course, Arctic Aurora. So yes, it's snow and the Northern Lights. Beautiful. I mean, we have, it's like a light purple, but in certain ways you look at it, it's deep purple. It's so, oh man, that is so pretty. I love it. And then these together, look at how beautiful and shimmery that is. So gorgeous. Next we have 12 pieces, 10 by 9 millimeter star cut faceted round crystal beads, slate vitriol. And this is $2.49. And these are loose. Oh yeah. Oh, these are pretty. Wow. Again, we have that rainbow effect. So we have green and purple, yellow, blue, pink. Love this. I love this collection so much. And then we get 12 pieces of these. Oh man, look at this in the light. That is so pretty. Next we have 8 millimeter crystal faceted coin beads, indigo iris, 7.5 inch strand, $3.99. Oh man, I could see these already. These, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty. I love the green and the purple and the blue and even black. Oh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, I am mesmerized by the colors of this. Just looking through the camera and looking at that. I mean, this is so pretty. Right? Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. I mean, this is like luxe, fancy, beautiful. I am mesmerized by this. Gorgeous. Next, we have 6 pieces, 10 millimeter rhinestone round beads in teal sparkle, $4.99. How much more sparkle can we get? But hey, I love the sparkle, so oh man, I'm not complaining about the sparkle. Oh my goodness, look at, wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, how much more sparkle can we get? But I mean, I love it. I am mesmerized by this sparkle. Oh, this is gorgeous. Man, super pretty. And it has a nice size hole too. You see that? Can you see that hole through all the sparkle? That is gorgeous. I am very happy with this box. Super happy. I can't even wait till the Bead Box bargains come out with the companion bundle. I mean, if it's like this, I mean, it's gonna be beautiful. I can't even wait. Lauren saved me a companion bundle. I'm gonna get it. Oh, what, I didn't even tell you what this is. Okay, hold on. Never mind. You didn't see these. Let me put this back. You didn't see them yet. I'm just too excited. Okay, 20 pieces, 8 millimeter patterned glass beads, blue green iris, $2.99. Oh my goodness, lovely. Oh yeah, look it. We got green and blue, and then we even have a crackle. It's like a vintage. That is super pretty. I love that little crackle glass look, and these are 20 pieces, 8 millimeter. Love that, blue and green, and a little bit of brown and crackle and shimmer, all the things. Love it. Okay, next we have 2 pieces, 12 by 18 millimeter snow quartz polar bear beads, $2.99. I love polar bears. They are so pretty. Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. That is just adorable. Look at these little polar bears. That is so cute. Let's see, where's the hole? The hole goes from here to here. Oh my God, I wish there was more of these. I love these. So cute. Yes, I love watching polar bears swim at the zoo. They're so graceful and it's like they're just like a fish. They just swim. So pretty. Oh my goodness, look at those little polar bears. Love them. Okay, 2 pieces, 15mm cut glass crystal teardrops in vitriol. $1.99. Okay, these are very pretty. We got little teardrop little beads or little charms. Oh, and look at that color. I mean, that green and the pink and the yellow and the orange, blue. I mean, let me mesmerize you guys. You are under my spell. Oh, wow. So pretty. I love this. Okay. Next, we have 50 pieces, 4mm brass stardust spacer beads, $2.99. Okay. Oh, yeah, I closed this because these were rolling all over the place when I opened it because these are loose. But look at how pretty these little stardust spacer beads are. It's a very pretty silver, but it has a luster on it. You see that shimmer? Super pretty. Very shimmery. Love this. Okay, next we have 10 grams of 5mm star spacer beads, $2.99. Little star spacers, those are cute. That is very nice. So there's the hole, goes from side to side. Really cute spacers. Next we have 2 pieces, 23 by 20mm stainless steel moonlit forest charms, $3.99. Okay, these are cute. Look at that. Oops. Look at the detail in it. Well, there. Look at the detail in that. Very pretty. And that's the back, so it's just one-sided. Very pretty charms. Look at this. I mean, this is just like glowing. When I move my hand, I just see that shimmering. I mean, all of it is shimmering. This is just catching my eye, like it's blinding my eye because it's just shimmer. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Next we have 2 pieces, 29mm twinkling star charms, $1.99. So some more charms. Okay, that is cute. Very pretty star, and it's the same on both sides. So two-sided. Very cute. Nice, pretty star charms. Okay, next we have 2 pieces, 14 by 19mm North Star links, $1.99 value. Oh, okay, yes, they're little connectors. Oopsie. So you see it has a loop here and a loop here. Very nice. Make a nice cute pair of earrings. dangle something at the bottom. I really like these. Very pretty. I love this theme. I love these beads. So nice. Okay, next we have 2 pieces brass magnetic clasp with stainless steel charms, $3.99. Oh. Oh, that's cute. So a magnetic clasp. Oh, wow. That is very pretty. I love that. So we get 2 of these. That's a nice fancy closure. That is really pretty. Really, really like these. Oh, wow. Okay, now this is the last one. 5mm stainless steel star chain. 18 inches, $7.99. Oh, that's good. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, is that pretty? That is a pretty chain. Let me hold it like this so you guys can see. That is pretty. I love this chain. That is very different. And it's nice and long. I say 18 inches. Anyway, it's nice and long and super pretty. There you go. You see that detail in there? Very nice. And very fitting with our theme here. Love this. Okay, you guys. Well, this is the Bargain Bead Box for the month of January 2026, Arctic Aurora. I am really in love with this collection. Everything is super pretty, and I love the star, moon, and outdoorsy theme. Very, very nice. Very pretty beads. I mean, super gorgeous and sparkly. So I really, really love it. Well, I am going to come up with a design. So you guys stick around and I will be right back. Okay, beaders, we are going to create a necklace. And we are going to use this beautiful pendant. I really, really like this, so I wanted to use this first. I mean, I just love these colors. Look at that. Super pretty. So yeah, we are going to create a necklace, and this, of course, is going to be our focal. So the beads that I'm going to use are the 4mm crystal triangle beads in light violet. And then we're going to use the English cut faceted crystals and the Malaysia jade. And then also we're going to use some of these, the patterned glass beads, the blue-green, and the star chain. So we're going to use some of that. And then of course the pendant. And I have one of these silver rings, which I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't think it's a jump ring. I didn't see like a, I don't know, maybe it is. I don't know, but I like the way it looks. It has that nice little design on it. And then also you will need some head pins. And then you will need needle nose pliers, flush cutters. I have bent nose pliers, a one-step looper, and round nose pliers. Those are my tools. And then also you will need some silver jump rings. So yeah, so that's what we're going to use. Okay, so the first step is to take your pendant, and I just open the bail. So it opens at the bottom here. It like pulls apart, see it? And then I just attached it to my ring. So like that. Make sure it's closed good. I might brush on some of my glue right there just to make sure that it's sealed. Okay, so that's going to be how our pendant's going to go. And then I'm going to create some like charms with my head pins. And that's going to create our necklace. So I do have my beads and everything already now. So I'm just going to take my head pin and cut the head off. I know that sounds harsh, but that's what we're going to do because I'm going to use my one-step looper, and that's just to make the loops even. So that way it'll be an even loop. So I'm just going to string some beads, and then I don't really have a specific plan that I'm going to do, so okay, let's see. Do we want anything else? No, we'll go ahead and form a loop with this one. So go ahead and put that in your one-step looper, just right to, now make sure, see this bead is going in my one-step looper, so that bead will get crushed. So make sure your bead just goes right to the edge. And I'm just taking my wire just right inside, just past where it's going to form the loop. And bend that down. All right, that's better. And then I'm going to do that to the other side as well. Now this we can feed all the way through. So see where the wire is coming out, that little hole at the end. But make sure your bead just goes right to the edge. And bend that down. Be careful so you don't crush your bead. Okay. So we're just going to do that. I'm going to create another one for the other side. So it'll be the exact same thing. Oops. And where did that go here? Put this back on. There we go. Okay, so go ahead and form your loop. Okay, go ahead and close that up. All right. Now we're going to keep doing that just with different beads. Okay, so that's all we're going to do is just continue to do that, just using different beads. So I'm just going to make 2 of each charm that I'm making. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to do that. I found it easier to go ahead and form your loop at one end first, and then put the beads on you're going to use, and then form the other loop. And that way your beads won't continue to just fall off your head pin. So that's an easier way. Let me fix okay, beaders, so here is all the charms that I've made so far. Just so you can see. Oops. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and figure out how we're going to lay this. Let me see how many more we need or what, because I'm going to use part of the chain too. So this is only going to be about half beaded, and then we're going to use the chain as well. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I say let's go ahead and start putting it together, and then that way it'll be easier to tell if we need to make more little charm clusters. Okay, so do I want to put jump rings in between? Yes, I think I'm going to put jump rings in between. Okay, so I'm going to attach these two with a jump ring to this ring here. So I'm going to go ahead and put jump rings on both loops. And this is how you open and close a jump ring. So you just want to slightly bend it down. So you don't want to go out like this. You just want to go up and down. And make sure your loops on your charms are closed. Actually, let's see. Okay, and then close this up. Make sure it is all the way closed so nothing slips through. Okay, now we'll go ahead and attach the other charm that's next in the line. See, so we already have 2 done. Yes, I like that. Okay. I'm just going to continue down the line. Okay, you guys tell me, what was your favorite thing from the Bargain Bead Box? I mean, I don't really have a favorite because I love all of it. I think everything is so pretty. Super shimmery and gorgeous, beautiful colors. But if you have a favorite, then let me know. Let me know what you would make with yours. Or let me know if there's something that you would like to see me make from the Bargain Bead Box. I would love to know. I would love your input. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and string the other side. So I'm going to do the exact same pattern. And then I will meet you guys back here. Let's see how we look. Yeah. Okay, that is super pretty. Okay, let's go a couple more. And then I think that'll be good. So let's do 2 more and see how that looks. Okay, so these are the last 2 charms that I created. These and these. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and attach that with our jump rings. This looks so pretty. I love it. So pretty. All right, let me try this on my neck to see how long this is right now. Okay, so this is the perfect length right now. And I'm going to add, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. You see, so this one doesn't have a ring at the front, and then we're going to cut this ring off. Go ahead and cut that ring. Did it cut? Okay, take that off. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my jump ring. And my jump ring here. And attach that. Let's see, do these stars have a certain way that they go? Yes. Then I'm going to attach my star to the jump ring and then close this up. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, wow. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. I love it. Because I love these beads and I love this star chain. It's so pretty. Okay, let's find our clasp. And I'm going to use one of the magnetic clasp that came in the box. Okay, so we're going to attach a jump ring to this here. Okay. Attach your jump ring and attach your clasp. Make sure it is dangling right before you put it on your jump ring. Close that really good. Okay, go ahead and close this up. There. Yes. Okay. Look at how pretty this is. Oops, hold on. Let's fix this the right way. There we go. So pretty. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I'm not going to do anything else. That's all that we're going to do to this necklace because I think it looks beautiful the way that it is. Okay, you guys, well, here is our finished necklace. I really, really love how this came out. I think it is super pretty, and it's honestly easy. I mean, a beginner can easily do this. So, yeah, I really, really love it. And thank you so much for joining me today for the Bargain Bead Box Arctic Aurora collection reveal and in designing this beautiful necklace. You guys let me know what your favorite item was from the Bargain Bead Box. And also let me know what you will make from that box. And please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.